Being a smaller builder, it allows us to be a bit more adventurous because we know we're only designing for maybe a select few. We want to be class leading in as much as possible of the things we're trying to achieve.
We produce to a level that's very rarely seen in the yachting industry.
It's no different designing a yacht to designing a plane or designing an apartment. For me, design is all about how you want to feel inside.
Pearl have always had this reputation for sort of innovative solutions to boating. It's great to finally see something you've been maybe working on for 3 or 4 years appear on the water. It's very satisfying to see that.
We design the boats with experience of using boats in mind, so we intelligently design our yachts to maximise the space. Both have pod drive propulsion, which ultimately means that you can manoeuvre the boat with the joystick.
By using the pod drive solution, we can drive the design in a different direction and create an awful lot of space.
And the beauty has to be within the textures and the form, and I think that's what makes it special. I wanted it to feel like almost a studio apartment, and I think we've definitely created that. So it was that flow from the outside in.
We've worked tirelessly over the last 2 years to produce this new range. It's been incredibly exciting, and we're very fortunate to have the support of our owners, our chairman. I'm immensely proud, and they're immensely proud at what we've achieved.
Less is more. The outside of a boat has got to be as beautiful as the inside, but you don't want to feel like you're too enclosed. So for me and all my sort of neutral palettes, it's all very, you breathe.
Attention to detail is obviously very important in any luxury product. Yachts, even more so.
All the materials I use are always luxurious. So we've used a lot of marble, we've used wood, we've used ceramic, we've used linen.
So our range of motor yachts is very unique.
65 is different from the 75 because it's smaller. For me, it sort of had that really cool studio type of feel about it, and I'm really, really happy with it.
Our customers have very high expectations as to ourselves. Our craftsmen are incredibly talented to produce the style and quality of these yachts.
Because you're creating the boat as a whole, you think about all aspects of the boat at the same time.
For us to compete in an ultra-competitive marketplace, we have to do something a bit different and a bit special.
I think it gives the market a unique offering, actually.
It's very prestigious. I think it's going to get fantastic response.
It is buying into something a little bit more exclusive in terms of its design and what it offers the customer. It is definitely a leader.
We definitely created what we set out to do, and I think it was quite sort of groundbreaking.